નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 7th subject English grammar lesson number 3rd adjectives. Students, in your previous study you learned about the adjectives. First of all, you have to remember that things, what is an adjective and how it is used, where it is used, all the questions you have to ask yourself. If you got answer, then your memory power is powerful. Okay? So, here in that lesson, we have to revise what we learn in our lower classes about adjectives. What is an adjective and which type of adjectives available in our English grammar. And more types of adjectives we have to study here also in our 7th standard study. First of all, question, what is an adjective? We have to identify that question and we have to solve that problem. Okay? First of all, definition of adjectives. Adjectives means what? Adjectives are words to describe nouns or pronouns. First of all, little things you have to keep in mind that adjectives are words which is used to describe nouns and pronouns, which is used to modify nouns and pronouns. जो noun और pronoun को modify करता है, it is known as an adjective. उससे हम adjective बोलते हैं. Okay? It is used to what describe nouns and pronouns. Nouns और pronouns को describe करने के लिए, उसे modify करने के लिए जो word हम put करते हैं, it is known as a adjective. उसे हम adjective बोलते हैं. They can describe physical features. What is purpose of adjectives? What is the purpose? Why we put adjective before noun or pronoun? So they can describe physical features of noun, colors of noun, qualities of noun, texture of noun, material and emotional state of noun. It describes this type of things. Physical features, how it looks, noun how looks, we can describe by the adjective. Then colors of noun we can describe, qualities of noun, उसका texture कैसा है, उसका material कैसा है और उसका emotional state कैसा है. All the things we can describe with the adjective. हम adjective से describe कर सकते हैं. With example we have to understand about adjective, which is adjective and how it is used. Now first example is given here. Ramesh is a naughty boy. Which is noun here? Can you identify from that sentence? इस sentence में noun कौन सा है? Yes, boy is the noun here. Boy is the noun given here. But before noun, I put one word naughty. Can you identify what is the naughty? A naughty क्या है? Naughty is an adjective. I used to describe noun boy. मैं noun boy को describe करने के लिए मैंने जो आगे word रखा है naughty. It is known as an adjective. Boy, मतलब कैसा boy? Naughty boy. Which type of boy? Naughty boy. So naughty describes the noun boy. So naughty is considered as here adjective. इससे हम adjective बोलेंगे जो noun और pronoun को modify और उसके बारे में ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन देने के लिए हम noun और pronoun के आगे जो word put करते हैं, it is known as adjective. उसे adjective बोलेंगे. Second example is given here. See, I have a green pen. Which is noun here? Pen. Pen is a noun here. But to describe that noun pen, I use one color name here, green. So, what is this? Green becomes adjective here. It is used to describe noun pen. तो वो noun pen को describe करने के लिए यूज हुआ है. So it shows the color. देखो यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है it shows the nouns colors. तो वो कलर डिस्क्राइब करता है ग्रीन पेन. पेन मगर कैसी पेन? ग्रीन पेन. So here green word become adjective and here naughty become adjective. Can you understand about adjective? It's a primary ideas about related to adjective. Now different types of adjective we already studied in our lower classes. We have to revise it. उससे हमें revise करना है. Okay? हमने आगे there are mainly 6 types of adjective. Mainly not only 6 types but mainly 6 types of adjective is there. So types of adjective, first type of adjective is that adjective आपने सुना है कभी ये एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वालिटी? इट शो द क्वालिटी ऑफ नाउन where it is used. Just we have to revise all the types here, 6 types. Then new types of adjectives we have to study in our 7th standard. It's one type of revision for you. एक प्रकार का रिवीजन है आपके लिए. Adjectives of quality. It show the quality of noun. वो noun की quality दिखाता है. Quality कैसा है noun? और adjective of quality we can get with asking question. We can get it asking question with what kind. हम what kind से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो हमें उसकी क्वालिटी मिलेगी नाउन की. क्या मिलेगा? क्वालिटी. हियर एग्जांपल है, शी इज अ क्विक लर्नर. शी इज अ क्विक लर्नर. लर्नर इज अ नाउन हियर, बट व्हिच टाइप ऑफ लर्नर शी वाज? शी वाज क्विक लर्नर. हाउ क्विक? क्विक इट शो द क्वालिटी ऑफ नाउन. नाउन की क्वालिटी दिखाती है कि क्विक लर्नर है. कैसे है? Quick learner. Quick learner is a adjective here. It show the quick. It show the quality of noun. Noun की वो quality दिखाता है. Second type of adjective is that adjectives of quantity. Quantity. It show the quantity of a noun. Quantity means जत्थो in our Gujarati we can say. So it show the quantity of ए नाउन की क्वांटिटी कितनी क्वांटिटी में नाउन है. इट शो द क्वांटिटी ऑफ नाउन एंड वी कैन गेट द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी बाय आस्किंग क्वेश्चन हाउ मच. हम हाउ मच से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो हमें क्वांटिटी एडजेक्टिव मिलेगा. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी मिलेगी. हियर एग्जांपल वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. सी देयर इज इनफ राइस लेफ्ट फॉर डिनर. Here rice is a noun. Rice is a noun. I put one word to modify the rice. Enough. Here enough becomes adjective. But which type of adjective can you know that? It is a quantitative adjective. जो हमें quantity दिखाता है. Rice की quantity. Enough. पूर्ता प्रमाण में. Enough rice. There is enough rice left for dinner. और आपको एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी किस तरह से मिलता है? हाउ मच से क्वेश्चन पूछने से. हाउ मच राइस लेफ्ट फॉर डिनर. आज क्वेश्चन विद हाउ मच हियर. सी हाउ मच राइस लेफ्ट फॉर डिनर. डिनर के लिए कितने राइस बचे हैं? सो आंसर बिकम इनफ. सो हियर वी कैन से दैट इनफ इज कंसीडर्ड एज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. यहाँ पे राइस की वो क्वांटिटी दिखाता है. Here two types of adjective we discussed. Now next 4 types of adjective we have to see in our next. Now students, another type of adjective we have to see. In our previous screen we discussed about 2 adjective of quality and adjective of quantity discussed. Now third type of adjective is that adjective of number. Adjective of number. It show the number of a noun. How many things is that? Countable things. And keep in mind, adjective of quantity is always used with. In our previous screen we discussed about that. Adjective of quality is always used with uncountable noun. One point you have to keep in mind. Adjective of quantity is used with only uncountable noun. जो adjective of quantity है वो हमें uncountable noun के साथ यूज करना है. Now next type of adjective is that adjectives of number. It is used with a countable noun. हम उसे countable noun के साथ यूज कर सकते हैं. It shows the number of a noun. How many things is that? 1 bench, 2 bench, 1 table, 1 chair. We can count. If countable things is with countable noun we can use adjectives of number. How we get the adjectives of number? By asking question how many. आप how many से question पूछोगे और जो आंसर मिलेगा सही आंसर मिलेगा. It's a become a adjective of number for us. With example we have to understand. See here. Raj had 2 pencils. Raj had 10 pencils, not 2 but 10 pencils. Here which is noun can you identify? Pencils is the noun here. But which word I put before pencil? 10. 10 shows the number of pencils. How many pencils is that? 10 pencils. So ask question with how many? You can ask question with how many? How many pencils Raj has? Raj has कितनी? Raj के पास कितनी pencil है? So answer become like that. Raj has 10 pencils. Here 10 is used as an adjective. It describes the pencil noun. And it is the adjective of number because pencils is a countable noun. So with countable noun we can use adjectives of number and it shows the numbers of nouns. Nouns के number दिखाते हैं. It is known as a ordinal. It is known as a cardinal number. It is known as a cardinal number. इसे हम cardinal number बोल सकते हैं because it is countable. Cardinal adjective इसे बोल सकते हैं. It is known as a cardinal adjective. उसे हम cardinal adjective बोल सकते हैं. Now next example with that we have to understand about it. I am fifth person to reach that. I am fifth person to reach. Which is noun here? Person. Person is a noun here. But which word is modified the person? Fifth. Here fifth is also known as adjective of number. It shows the number, rank of anything. किसी चीज का rank दिखाता. Fifth number. पांचवा number. So I am the fifth person to reach that. So that type of one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, it is all are known as a ordinal adjective. Ordinal adjective. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that it is known as a cardinal adjective. Both are under adjective of number. दोनों को हम adjective of number बोल सकते हैं मगर cardinal and ordinal. Keep in mind. Okay? Now next type of adjective is that demonstrative adjective. कौन सा adjective है? Demonstrative. To demonstrate means to show something. कोई चीज को दिखाना. So it is used to point out something. It is used to point out something. किसी चीज को point out करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. उससे हम कैसे we can ask question with which to get the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective को ढूंढने के लिए we use question which से हम question पूछते हैं. For example, see here. Those girls are part of the school hockey team. Here, which is noun here? Girls is a noun here. Okay? But which word is used to modify the girls? Here, those. Those word is considered as a demonstrative adjective. It shows that those girls. Which girls? Those girls are parts of the school hockey team. जो वो लड़कियां हैं वो हमारे स्कूल की हॉकी टीम की members है. Those girls. Asking question which girls are part of the school hockey team? उससे हम कैसे देख सकते हैं, उसे कैसे ढूंढ सकते हैं? तो asking question with which girls are part of the school hockey team? We get the answer those. So those become here demonstrative adjective. These, that, those, these all are known as a demonstrative adjective. We already studied in pronoun also. Demonstrative pronoun, this, that, these and those. But it is pronoun. Now we have to understand about adjective. And one thing, once again I repeat that students, keep in mind difference between pronoun and adjective. Pronouns have never followed by any nouns because we put pronoun instead of noun. हम noun की जगह पे जो word लगाते हैं it is known as a pronoun. So pronoun के बाद कभी भी never noun followed होता है. मगर on the adjective always followed by the noun. Adjective के पीछे यहाँ पे adjective those है, उसके पीछे girls noun है, यहाँ पे fifth है, उसके पीछे person है, यहाँ पे tent के पीछे pencil है. So keep in mind adjective always followed by noun. Adjective के पीछे हर हमेशा के लिए noun followed होता है, जो कि pronoun में noun followed नहीं होता. It is a major difference between pronoun and adjective. Okay, understand? Demonstrative adjective. Now next type of adjective is that interrogative adjective. It is used to ask question. It is used to ask question. वो हमें किसी को question पूछने के लिए what, which, who, whom. It is all are known as they all are known as interrogative adjective. It is used to ask question. Whose bike is that? Here bike is a noun. But I ask question with whose. Whose bike is that? Here whose become the interrogative adjective because after whose followed by nouns. Nouns उसके पीछे follow हुआ है. Which pen is yours? आपकी पेन कौन सी है? Which table is yours? Which cycle is yours? आपकी साइकिल कौन सी है? So after which, who, whom, which, what, उसके पीछे जो noun बोला होता है, तो we can say that word is known as a interrogative adjective. उसे हम interrogative adjectives बोलते हैं. Can you understand? Now last type of adjectives we learned in our previous classes is that possessive adjective. It is used to show possession. Possession means to show the ownership. वो ownership दिखाने के लिए यूज होता है possessive adjective, and possessive adjective always followed by the noun. See here, your sister was looking for you. Here example is given here. Your sister was looking for you. Sister is a noun here, but your word is known as a possessive adjective because it is used to modify the sister. Whose sister? It shows the possession of sister. Whose sister? Your sister. So your sister is a noun here, and your become possessive adjective. It shows the ownership. It shows the ownership or possession. And keep in mind that possessive adjective always followed by the noun. उसके पीछे noun हमेशा के लिए आता है. So it is all are the introduction of the different types of adjectives we learn in our lower classes. Now extra adjectives, another type of adjectives we have to study in our next video.
Thank you for joining us